Hello everyone, welcome back to again in my channel. Today I'm going to coding and creating the going smoothly and so very smoothly going my this restaurant project using this Python with Django framework. Okay, so today also I just to open this my folders. Okay, I already created this folders. I already created this my project all with my friend. Again, I just to open this my project, and then I don't waste my time as I already to type this to my code cd, and so I want to run my this project in my local server, manage the py on as your server. Okay, this code has to help to you to run your local servers to this your code in. Okay, so wait a minute, this code to take a few times, take a time. Okay, just wait of time everyone. My friend, this project is to literally statically to completely fully complete, but just to you also we need to okay, to make the dynamic website, dynamic any web pages to any projects to need to. Okay, so that reasons today I also be want to create the dynamic web pages. Okay, so few seconds, wait a few minutes my friend. Okay, wait not to running this my for cd. Okay, this code you also typed on your screen on your terminals. Okay, what's your project names, and so python 3 manage.py on server. Okay, this code is typing on my terminals. This code is taking the some like a few times. Okay, few times, taking the few times. So wait a few minutes my friends, I want to just to display it on my screen of the web this project. Okay, finally I want to run my project in here. This is not a not a new things. It's so similar things to of my previous videos of my previous project. I just to I have to going and so coding on the same folders to making this restaurant project. I think this project look like a very beautiful done statically, but it's not making the dynamic. Also you can see I already so fit, I already to display the and here this all the images, this all the this descriptions, titles, the images, background images also with already so uploaded in my this this is my project, and so how to display it I already I already to feed, I already to so make out all the coded AOS like animated on the animate on the so scrolling so designed. Okay, template also be already initialized in my code like index.html have the have the there have the multiple the strings are have here you can see. Okay, and then you are gets my brain. I here have I just initialized animate on the scrolling template initialized in here. You can see I just to go to the you can see AOS. Oh, sorry, I just to display this the AOS the AOS, but here have not to initialized. Okay, not to initialized that reasonsly here have and initialized AOS. Okay, AOS. Now initialize the in here this code how to track from the I just to comes in type the AOS. Okay, we just to type this and scrolling to in here and sure we just scrolling past to scroll this already is linked on our this code on our that's project. This also be CSS AOS link also be already linked on our this file. Okay, HTML file. And right now I just do initialized AOS in here. Okay, control V, control S. Okay, so AOS again that just back in here, and so you can see AOS CSS link also be here linked, already linked. Now I want to I want this kind of template to okay template to this types of what kind of template you need to you want to display it on your project. You okay you also be select whatever template from the here. So I want to this template to this kind of template to display it on my project. Okay, wait a few minutes. This code is just to copy, and so now you backed in your code, and so okay okay I just to which template with pictures you want to make out like animate and scrolling to your that's pictures to which pictures you want to animate or scrolling to of to your project. I want to this okay this one like this one pictures I want to scrolling to right now. So that's I already copy that's template animated, and so scrolling template I already copy and I want to just paste. And here few minutes you just wait my friend wait a few minutes. Okay, you okay you have to not okay. You can see my friend this top momo step is this pictures I want to animate or scrolling right now this one. Okay, you can see this. Okay, this types to this types to this types of the scrolling are animate templates to so fit out on my the posing restaurant posing this more okay this one to animate or the scrolling. So, okay, I just to fit it out in my code. You also be fit, you also be okay initialized. That's all the code in your project, and you also be use this all the template in your pictures. Okay, it's done. You also be to do this everything. If you want to make a this all the pictures to make us like a scrolling to want to make a scrolling like a animate, you used that template from the copy from there. Okay, so I just back in here, and so something like we already to tax already to do we already done that types of codes, that type of ideas to you implement already we implement all on our project previous on our project. So today also we just to used okay we just to implement I want this about that HTML. Okay, about that HTML. This about that HTML. So how to display it on our local server, how to display it on our browsers. It's a simple. So you can see I just to back again in my debuts.python files. Okay, and so again I want to make a div So they about, and so request request, and so return render, and so request. Okay, and so okay, main, and maybe about that HTML. Okay, this one, and so again back in here, and so this here have so ab or it about index, not index, ab what about ab or it about name, have to store the ab about this, and so here I'm not to just to use this. Okay, and so here I just to missing the like in index errors, so you have displayed in here, so just to give the comma syntax. Okay, why okay, about ab about it's about okay, ab out about that HTML. Views you have to about that HTML main, this main. Okay, return render about. Okay, this one, it's fine, but why not to display that on our server? I need to, okay, finally I want to be about. Okay, you can see here have to display the about all the content, about content to display the on our browsers. So here have just not to display the like a css to, like a styles is not displayed in here in about section. So how to link to about okay, how to link the css like a styles to on the about okay, I just want to again back in here, and so at the first you need to okay, as load stats static, because I want to okay, because I want to link static files to like a css file. Okay, custom css files there have to already so designed okay, designed already, so make out like attractive to all the about the sections, all the contents to using the css code. Okay, so I'll link, so std static css std style dot css. Okay, you can see this one, and so maybe about. Okay, finally this one, like this okay, this one, like to display it in here, and so again I want to display the display in here as dot css as dot css. Okay, ab about, you can see my friend this one picture, so I not to display it in her because here I have not to make a like a dynamic style like this. Okay, I'll just to copy, Control C, and so you just to make it this tab support to tap down here as std static, and so Control V, and so Control S. You can see my friend about, look at this about read more. Yeah, read more, and there have just need to static images. Yeah, static images cook1.jpg, but why not jpg? But why not to upload it in here? Images static within the this all the images, but why not display the cook1.jpg? cook1.jpg, this pictures cook1.jpg, this one, this pictures I want to display it in here, but what? cook1.jpg, cook1.jpg, static images, so cook1.jpg, okay, good1.jpg, cook1.jpg. It's fine, but why not maybe about yeah, finally to display this my pictures to also be displayed in the about sections. These pictures also be okay. And so again I just want to there's something like easy. I want to make easy is this code in here, okay. This index.html, and so I just want to new files, okay, new files to here base.html to control S, this index.html have to control A, okay, control C, control B, control S, okay. Static here have the nav bar